And Morgan, 4.5 months. She's been rolling over. Let's see if she'll do it again. Let's turn Violet on. Uh-huh. Oh, you almost had it. You almost had it, little girl. Go get her. Go get Violet. Yay. Which I distracted.
Morgan, let's sing a song about you. M O R G A N.
Yay! See if I can crawl to me. I think she wants to crawl. Yeah, just like that. Come here. Get your hand out.
Make a silly sound. Boogly boogly.
Boogly boogly. Oh, she might be getting hungry. Okay, here, turn around, Sam. Hi. Oh, give me something to eat. Oh, there's a little bird. You hungry? Oh, she's so strong.
Hey, Morgan. Morgan. Hey. Morgan. Hi. You know what this is? This is ammo for when you start dating.
All right, let's get something to eat. Okay?
Okay, what button do I hit? The red one right here? Red button.
Yeah.